Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodcraft design ideas for stylish home decor or big selling. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. A journey of inspiration often begins with the quiet recognition that a home is far more than walls, floors, and ceilings. It is a canvas upon which life unfolds, reflection of personal taste, a sanctuary that tells the story of who we are and what we value. When we bring the art of crafting into this journey, we step into a world where imagination and creativity shape the spaces around us, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary and proving that style, beauty, and personality can be infused into every corner of a living space. It is a process that transforms not only homes, but also hearts, as inspiration flows through the hands of the maker and manifests into creations that are both meaningful and functional. The beauty of crafting lies in its duality. It allows us to create pieces that enrich our own lives while also opening doors to share those creations with others. Bridging the gap between personal inspiration and commercial opportunity, turning passion into profit and artistry into entrepreneurship. In this way, crafting becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a lifestyle, a philosophy, and a pathway toward both fulfillment and financial growth, showing that what begins as a spark of creativity can evolve into designs that not only beautify homes, but also sell in markets hungry for authenticity and originality. To craft is to see potential where others see limitations, to look at a piece of wood, fabric, or reclaimed material and imagine its transformation into something stylish, functional, and beautiful. Something that does not just occupy space, but enhances it, giving it warmth, character, and personality. This vision is what drives the journey of inspiration forward, because once we realize that our living spaces can reflect our truest selves, the desire to create becomes unstoppable, and each project becomes a stepping stone toward a home filled with meaning. Harmony and artistry. As we craft, we infuse our personalities into the details, the choice of color, the smoothness of a finish, the curves of a design, the rustic or modern flair that speaks to our own unique tastes, and in doing so, we turn our living spaces into extensions of ourselves, where every object tells a story and every detail feels intentional. But this journey does not end with personal satisfaction. In fact, it expands into a broader horizon where others begin to notice, to admire, and to desire what has been created. Inspiration, when shared, multiplies, and in a world where people constantly seek meaningful ways to decorate their homes, where sustainability and individuality are becoming more valued than mass production, the opportunity to sell crafted decor becomes immense. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A crafted table centerpiece is no longer just a functional item. It is a conversation starter, a work of art, a product of passion that carries value far beyond its materials. A handmade wooden shelf is not just storage. It is an embodiment of rustic charm or modern elegance that resonates with buyers who want more than factory-made uniformity. The bridge between crafting for personal fulfillment and crafting for big selling is built on the recognition that what enriches one home has the power to enrich many, and what inspires one creator has the potential to inspire countless customers. To embark on this journey is to merge artistry with strategy, heart with enterprise, and creativity with commerce. Every crafted item becomes more than decor. It becomes a statement, a brand, a promise of quality and individuality. This is why the crafting journey is not simply about filling a space with beautiful things, but about cultivating a lifestyle that others aspire to embrace. And as more people are drawn toward authentic, handmade, and sustainable products, the opportunity to transform inspiration into a thriving business grows stronger each day. Homes across the world are evolving into sanctuaries where people want their personalities to shine, where style is an expression of identity, and where beauty and functionality must coexist. And it is in this shift that crafters find their calling, because they hold the tools to create what the market deeply craves. Crafting is no longer a niche. It is part of a global movement toward meaningful living. And those who embark on this journey of inspiration are not only shaping their own spaces, but also positioning themselves to sell designs that resonate with authenticity and charm. Each handcrafted decor item carries within it not only the maker's inspiration, but also the potential to meet the unspoken desires of buyers who long for homes that reflect character and soul. To create with intention is to create with power, and to sell what is created is to share that power with the world, turning artistry into livelihood and passion into profit. The journey of inspiration is, at its core, about discovering the endless possibilities hidden in simple materials and unlocking the ability to transform them into objects of beauty. But it also becomes a story of empowerment, where the creator realizes that their vision has value, not just within their own four walls, but in the wider world. With each crafted piece, a new door opens, a door to inspire, a door to decorate, and a door to sell, to meet the rising demand for decor that speaks to individuality and style. When creativity and craftsmanship meet, they create a ripple effect, one that enhances homes, uplifts spirits, and builds businesses. The journey is ongoing, ever evolving, because inspiration knows no limits, and as long as there are homes to decorate and lives to enrich, there will always be room for new creations, new ideas, and new opportunities to sell. This is the essence of crafting as a journey of inspiration. It is about seeing beauty where others do not, about shaping that beauty with our hands, about living among it in our homes, and about sharing it with the world in ways that inspire, connect, and sell. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodcraft design ideas for stylish home decor big selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end.